Thank you for joining us on the next episode of Alternate Reality, where you get to see what happens when an ADHD kid grows up and starts their own YouTube channel. Here I am at 17, ignore that, there's my grandfather, and here is the 1996 Harley in question. We're going to do a quick walk around. So this is a 1200 XLH with a Stage 1 Screaming Eagle kit on it and the Vance & Hines slip-ons. 5-speed manual transmission. Now I came from a world of sport bikes, so this is my first Harley, and this will be my first time restoring a motorcycle. So hopefully we can get it started. So in this clip you'll see the black goop coming up on my hands, and that's a surprise tool that we'll need later. It's actually from the rubber in the grips dry rotting away, which we're going to be covering replacement in a separate video. We're just going to give this a scrub before we bring it in the garage. But this is also a cautionary tale, is that you should not wash your motorcycle in the sunshine, because the drying process is terrible. Oh! Look at that. Pecans. Hopefully you enjoy the sound of the wind chimes. I'm going to go ahead and speed up some of the footage. So the only battery I could find in the right orientation was this NOCO lithium ion, and you use these plastic plates to actually make it tall enough to fit in the battery box. We're also going to put some Marvel's Mystery Oil inside the cylinder heads to make sure that the pistons are going to be lubricated on that initial startup. I went ahead and put some PB Blaster on the spark plugs and pulled those, cleaned them up with a wire brush. Just wanted to make sure that we were going to have good contact, and they looked fine. I didn't think I needed to replace them.
Inside. Got my solid click.
So I realized that I have not turned the gas reservoir on, so I'll have to take my cool guy badge away from me. I'm gonna try it again. You guys are not gonna believe what came out of the exhaust pipe. Look at all these. Oh man. Did a squirrel just start stuffing them in there? Oh, my neighbors are gonna hate this. Alive! So we did in fact get the motorcycle to start after sitting for 10 years, but it will not stay running without full choke, which leads me to believe it's not actually getting enough fuel. Choke is a misnomer. Adding choke on this motorcycle actually adds more fuel. So what we're going to have to do is diagnose the fuel system, and I'll go ahead and put that in a separate video. I know I went kind of quick here, but I really tried to cater to everyone's attention spans. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.